In our last lesson, we just took a quick look on how to form adverbs, how to take basic adjectives and change the ending and turning them into adverbs, okay? Today we're going to focus on one very important type of adverb, and that is the adverb of manner, okay? Adverbs of manner tell us how an action happens, okay? For example, she speaks clearly. He drives carefully. He worked quietly. These adverbs, clearly, carefully, and quietly, tell us how each action is performed, okay? So what is an adverb of manner? Okay, an adverb of manner answers the question, how, okay? Listen to this sentence. He answered politely, okay? How did he answer? Politely. She smiled warmly. How did she smile? Warmly. The baby slept peacefully. How did the baby sleep? Of course, peacefully, okay? So when you want to describe the way an action happens, you will often use an adverb of manner. So let's look at how they're formed. Many adverbs of manner are formed by adding ly to an adjective. Okay, for example, careful becomes carefully, quiet becomes quietly, just as we saw in the previous lesson. Slow would become slowly. You're just adding ly to the end, okay? But we have to remember that not every adverb of manner ends in ly. For example, words like fast. He runs fast, or hard, she works hard. So don't assume that every adverb, when you go to use it, needs an ly ending. Now, where do we put adverbs of manner? Well, they usually come after the verb or the object, okay? For example, she sang beautifully. Here, beautifully comes after the verb. Okay, or he completed the assignment carefully. Here, carefully comes after the object. And we can also sometimes put the adverb before the main verb. For example, she carefully opened the door, or he quietly left the room. Both positions can be correct, okay? So I want you to compare. She opened the package carefully, and she carefully opened the package. The meaning is very similar, okay? The position simply changes the emphasis, okay? So when we're looking at adjective or adverb, we want to think about the important differences to understand. An adjective describes the noun, okay? An adverb of manner describes how an action happens, okay? He is a careful driver. Careful describes the noun driver, okay? But he drives carefully describes the verb drives, okay? Another example is, she is a quiet speaker, okay? But she speaks quietly, okay? Notice the difference there. So you just have to kind of ask yourself, am I describing a person or a thing? I would use an adjective. Am I describing how an action happens? Then I'm using an adverb of manner, okay? So here's just a few common examples of adverbs of manner. Slowly. Please speak slowly. You'll find yourself saying that a lot as an ESL student. Quickly. He finished quickly. Carefully. Drive carefully. Quietly. The students worked quietly. Politely. She politely asked for help. Clearly. Please explain it clearly, okay? Badly. He played badly. Okay? Well, she speaks English well. Notice that well is the adverb form we often use with good. So you wouldn't say she speaks English good. We actually just change that word right out for well. That's one of those funny ones, an irregular one. So that's it. Today you learned about adverbs of manner, and adverbs of manner tell us how an action happened. For example, she spoke clearly. He drove carefully. They worked quietly. Many adverbs of manner are formed with just adding an ly to the end. But some, like words like fast and hard, don't change at all. And remember, for the word good, we swap that right out for the word well. I want to remind you that an adjective describes a noun, but an adverb of manner describes how the action happens. It's important that you just learn to distinguish between the two. He is a careful driver is different from he drives carefully, okay? When you master adverbs of manner, you'll be able to describe actions much more naturally and precisely. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.